Hi beautiful family, on today's video I will share with you this powerful magical hair growth tonic that will help to speed up your hair growth, stop hair fall, hair breakage, thicken up your hair, stop hair loss, shedding and so many of them. With this hair growth tonic, say bye bye to all these hair problems and be consistent with it for 2 weeks. You see a magic change on your hair. So let me take you step by step on how to prepare this powerful hair growth tonic.
Tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive.
My first ingredient is sage. Sage stimulates hair growth, improve blood circulation to the scalp, enhance hair shine, and improve hair texture. It also helps to control dandruff, reduce frizziness, also help to stop hair loss and hair breakage. It also helps to darken hair colors and also improve overall scalp healthy of hair. So I will make use of 1 tablespoon of my sage. If you want that faster results, try to incorporate sage on your hair growth regimen and you will never regret that.
You know that I can take the truth.
My second ingredient is moringa. I'll be making use of moringa powder. Moringa contains vitamins, mineral and fatty acid that nourish hair follicles and improve healthy hair growth. Moringa contains zinc, iron and calcium which can help strengthen hair and it prevents split end. Moringa contains antioxidants that can protect hair from damaging caused by free radical and the oxidative stress. Moringa contains omega-3 which can help retain moisture in the hair. Moringa contains biotin which can help increase the oxygen supplier to the scalp. I also make use of 1 tablespoon of moringa powder. Moving on to my third ingredient is hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower stimulates hair growth, prevent premature growing, condition your hair, prevent dandruff and smooth the scalp. And consistent of using hibiscus flower, it also darken your hair. Yes, hibiscus flower is very effective in giving you darker natural hair. Moving on to my last but not the least of my ingredient is cloves. Cloves enhance blood circulation. Cloves has property that can help stimulate blood flow in the scalp, which may promote hair follicles activate and encourage hair growth. Cloves contain vitamins, mineral and fiber that can nourish the hair follicles and support overall healthy hair. Let's put this together to get the solution of that hair growth tonic we will be looking for. So first thing, I bring my clean jar. You can as well do boiling method. If you are OG on the channel, you know that I love efficient method because efficient method will give me best result than doing boiling method. But please do the one that works for you. If it's boiling method is what you love, as well do your boiling method. But believe me, if you try using efficient method, you get more good results than always doing boiling method. Okay, so I bring my clean jar and transfer my ingredients into my jar. So next thing now we do now is to be my hot water, to pour in the hot water to infuse this for 12 hours. You can infuse it for 8 hours, but believe me, longer you infuse this, the better result you got. You can also infuse it 24 hours. Okay, do the one that you choose to work for you, but believe me, longer you infuse this, the best result you will got because this is dry ingredient. Okay, so I'll just use my spoon to stir it around. After turning it around, I will cover it up. It's very necessary to turn it around so that the moringa powder will settle down and infuse properly with the other ingredients. 12 hours later, our hair growth tonic is ready to be used. Do you see how darker this hair growth tonic is now than earlier before? So this hair growth tonic is very powerful, very potent and very effective. All the ingredients have released their nutrients into this tonic, okay, making it more powerful and more potent. So we need the help of bowl and sheaf cloth to collect our hair growth tonic. So you need something that's very tiny hole because of the powder ingredient I use on this. So but if you use fresh moringa leaf or dry moringa leaf, you don't need something that have very tiny hole, okay, to strain it out. There is one secret I will let you guys know. If you really want to grow your hair, I will let you know the most important thing to do when you want to grow your hair faster. So if you can have patience and watch this video to the end, I will tell you the best way to use natural ingredients and see that crazy faster result on your hair growth. So this will be a bonus tip for those that watch this video to the end. So after straining it, the next thing I will do now is transfer it into my spray bottle for easy application. So I'll show you how to make this hair growth tonic. So the next thing now is to show you the best way to use this hair growth tonic to achieve those good results, to achieve longer hair, thicker hair, fuller hair, and stop that hair fall, hair shedding, hair breakage, and thickening up your hair, and regrow your hair in balls, your crown section, anywhere you want to regrow. Let me show you the best way to use this hair growth tonic and get all these amazing results with this hair growth tonic. First thing to use this hair growth tonic to get the good result is to use it as a leave-in hair growth tonic. Don't wash it out. This is the best way to get the most effective, faster results with this hair growth tonic. Allow this hair growth tonic to sit on your hair is the best way to get the best results, faster results, okay? Second way to use this hair growth tonic to see good results is to use it as your final thing rinse. Okay, after shampooing your hair, it will be the last stage of your wash day routine. Pour it all over your hair, massage your scalp, cover your hair some minutes or some hour, rinse your hair off and moisturize your hair. But I will recommend to you to use it as a leave-in hair growth tonic. Do not wash it out. Why did I recommend it? Because when this hair growth tonic sits on your hair, it will give you that crazy faster result than using it as a final thing rinse. Okay, so if you want this hair growth tonic to work so wonders, if you want to see the effective of this hair growth tonic, allow it to sit on your hair. Do not wash it out. While using it as a leave-in treatment, always moisturize your hair. Do not use it without sealing in the moisture with your butter or your leave-in conditioner. Okay, follow up with your oil, any of your hair growth oil of your choice. This step is very important. If you just apply it and leave it like that without sealing in the moisture of this hair growth tonic, it will strip out, okay, it will dry out on your hair faster, and it will not have that chance to sit long period of time on your hair to do what it's supposed to do on your hair. So using leave-in condition and the oil to seal in the moisture after applying it on your hair, it will help this hair growth tonic to sit longer on your hair and have chance to doing work on your hair. So if you want to see that crazy result, follow up this step and you will never regret it, okay? And after using it, make sure you give yourself a gentle scalp massage. It's very important. Scalp massage is something that you don't need to skip if you want to see good results. This hair growth tonic is tested and trusted. If you can be consistent and be patient with it, you see a great change on your hair. Believe me, your hair will never remain the same. If you follow me up on the channel and do what I say you should do on every of my videos, you'll be seeing a great change on your hair. Your hair will never remain the same, and you'll be happy you come across this channel. Yes, everything I'll be sharing with you guys is what I'm using to grow my hair and my daughter hair, and also some friends around me. I also give them my product and they always be happy. They are very happy to know me. They are very happy to use my product because they see a lot of change on their hair. So just try to be patient and watch my video to the end and follow up with the instruction I gave to you. Believe me, you will never ever regret it. This is the bonus tip. If you are watched up to this point, you are so lucky to get this information from me. So the bonus tip is to know the best way to use natural ingredients to grow your hair like crazy and to solve those your hair problems. First is to use it as your tea spray. Yes, learn how to infuse your herbal ingredients into a tea spray. It will work so amazing. This is the secret of natural ingredients. Always use it as your tea spray. You will get the faster, effective results with natural ingredients. Second is to infuse it as your oils. Yes, learn how to infuse your herbal ingredient as your hair growth oil. It will give you that crazy results. Yes, this is the two important way to use natural ingredients if you want to grow your hair faster, solve those your hair problem, and thicken up your hair like crazy. Use natural ingredient, these two bases, and you will never regret it. Yes, hair growth butter also work amazing. Hair mask also work so amazing, but hair tea spray and hair growth oil, they are the major key of using natural ingredients to see crazy faster results. So hair growth butter and hair mask is another bonus to add on it, okay? But for you to see faster result, be consistent of using herbal tea spray and also hair growth oil with your natural ingredients. This is the bonus tip I have for you. And be consistent with this bonus tip I share with you on today's video. You will be happy you watch this video up to this point. So guys, I've come to end of today's video. If there's anything I do not cover up in this video, let me know in comment section below, okay? So if you have not joined, make sure that you click on that subscribe button to join this beautiful family, and believe me, you will never ever regret it. And welcome to the family. And once you subscribe, do not forget to turn on your post notification bell to all, so that YouTube notify you whenever I upload amazing videos like this. And help me to like this video, okay? It really encourage me, and also it help the growth of the channel. Lastly, share this video to your family and friends so that they will get the good news on today's video. I have come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.